Hi guys, so it's an exam time. As you can see, I am in Merchiston campus in the corridor. This is JKCC at the back, and our university is trying for more greener approach, and we have a gardening club here as well, which is Lionsgate. There are some greener approaches over here, some plants for fresh air, although this weather is not really good as pouring today for gardening. But if you want to take a break and have some fresh air, so I can just show you exactly in the campus when you are in Merchiston. This is library, and there's a front gate and a back gate for the Lions Gate. I will show you the front gate first. So as you can see, the little sign of Cullington Road, which is the front of our Merchiston campus, Edinburgh, Napier, and that's the Lions Gate, and that's why it is called Lions Gate, because as you can see, two lions on the gate. So that's the front view of our gardening club. If you want to come from the front, there's a limited time access. You need to coordinate with the security. Although there is a back side as well, which is open 24/7. You can come anytime. I'll show you that as well. So I will show you how it looks from the library glass. Before going in, we need to put mask on. That's the Lions Gate. Got to be very quiet because I'm in library already. So and that's the back side of our Merchiston campus, which is at Mardale Crescent. The sign is here. It's just next to our cafe. This is the Lions Gate, and as you can see over here, we got some delivery for compost, soil, and some other material, manure for our project Keep Scotland Beautiful. Over here, we're trying to make some wildlife accessibility as well, and we are building a pond here. There is a compost bin and some raised beds over here. I planted this apple tree last year, this raspberry, and some more here. So come anytime whenever you get a chance. Enjoy.